Channel Profit Sprint Review, and it's an offer from a wonderful entrepreneur. And I was trying to figure out her name, and I finally figured it out. It's Maria Gudelis, I believe. Please let me know if I'm chopping it up, or message me even Maria, because I tend to chop names up. So yeah, this review is going to be different because she is already out of launch period of this offer. Okay, and it's not exactly one of those offers where people can easily try to review early. Okay, because she's doing it in a challenge style. So I went ahead and invested with her. Okay, so I managed to catch her discount just before it went up to 97, but you can pick it up for $47 today. Okay, it was 17.97, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I went ahead and I'm attending the challenge. I'm doing the challenge because I actively do YouTube. Okay, we have two niche channels. We have my brother's gaming niche channel, which is a different animal altogether. I'll probably have to get with someone to learn about that, to tap harder into that one, because but he's growing humongously with the same framework that I use for my make money online, work from home niche channel. Okay, and it's the channel you're watching this very video on, and or sliced piece of short on, or reel. Okay, um so I looked into what she had to offer, the results that she actually has for her clients, and I was like, okay, I'll affiliate, but I wanted to pay my due, so I paid my due, and I bought with Maria Gudelis, I believe. Gudelis, Maria Gudelis. I picked it up, and then I got to chat with her briefly on Facebook Messenger, gave her a bunch of context of what's going on, and told her I was already in motion with YouTube, which I would encourage you guys to start going in motion with YouTube, even if you don't know what you're doing, guys. Just start. Just start. Okay. And I would say a great starting point between picking it up even at the $47 today with my bonuses. Okay, I'm about to let you know the bonus you get. I'm about to get in the members area. Okay, I'm about to get in the members area right quick, and then I'm gonna let you know what's up with the bonuses. Okay, and let me just let you know what the bonuses are first. Like all over the place. Feel like didn't rest very well, but anyhow, my hair's probably too. Anyhow, so the bonus you're gonna get is basically early bird access to my YouTube framework as well. Okay, so it made sense to invest with her because it's also about the next offer is about. It's not just about YouTube, but as far as the bonus you get from me, okay, it's also it's also like cross promoting on Facebook and stories, and have it just doing content. Okay, doing content. I talk about leveraging a hell of a lot of AI, a ton of AI, mostly ChatGPT. Obviously, there are other AI tools I use, but you will be extremely empowered with what she is already teaching. She's about to upload the first call. She said on the call she'll probably divide it in 3 videos. She's doing this as she goes. The launch already ended. The initial 17.97 that people missed out on, which is okay because it's worth $97. It's worth that price. And I'm gonna let you know right now, if you click on the buy button, I'm about to get into the other details, guys. It'll automatically say non-7. You have to click I have a coupon, guys. Gotta click it. If you don't click, and make sure you get the coupon code. All right, let me backspace. Hold up. As you can see, it said I purchased it, so I wasn't lying. Anyhow, but I caught it at the first phase of the launch. This is like the second phase of her launch, before she goes evergreen. So I want to get the bonus in your hands. Okay, you see what it says? It says Maria 50 to get 50 off. You have to put that in to claim it at 47, so you can claim my bonus as well. Okay, and it's the framework I'm using that we're about to launch October 30th. That's been getting us subscribers, targeted subscribers, okay, and driving them to our other socials like Facebook, my Facebook group, email list, the whole nine. Okay, to the extent of what I can show you, obviously. Okay, hey, my ear ringing. It's inevitable. Anyhow, it should go away. Um, so let me get in the members area. Okay, so this is one of those things. I watched the whole thing. Let me hold on. It's probably gonna sound echoey at
Hey,
first.
well,
Let me mute it because I wanna show you who what she has done. Why you should listen to her. Okay, so give me a minute. I might have to pause the video because I hate when I drag out too long and have to fill the void with a bunch of lip service just to get to why you should listen to Maria. Okay, so let me get to the point first. Okay, all right. So let me find that part. Don't believe me. Okay, so she knows her stuff. Okay, so Maria Gudelis, hopefully I said your name right. I think you said it a little slower this time. You did on the affiliate page. Um, she's been doing this full time since 2008. Okay, she sold millions online for herself and her clients with over 50 plus offers. She started a software company funded by Google's chairman and sold it. Started to see crazy results from friends and clients on YouTube. So she'd revived her YouTube channel and monetized it fast via digital offers and affiliate marketing. Um, she's excited to go ahead and share you this, and I'm excited to share the bonus with you guys. Now, like I said before, I cannot like when I go here, like she tasks you. It's a sprint, okay? She tasks you and you have to report back to her, okay? And I like the layout because she's basically coaching in real time for the more advanced people that don't do it this way. But for the newbies, this is the perfect accountability framework. And I'm like all in. Like some people they'll pay low price and they don't treat it as if they paid $17,000, $10,000, five. Like you just like treat it like you spent $1,000, $5,000 on coaching. Because when you treat it like that, then you act in the seriousness of the value, like how much energy you're gonna put into this because you spent so much money on it. You can't look at it like, oh, it's $17 or it's $47 or it's $97. I'll get to it when I can. This is a sprint, guys, and I am all in for the sprint because we're already in motion with our organics as far as YouTube, Facebook, and launching digital products. Because my goal, I told Maria, is to bring evergreen buyers through YouTube instead of solely. Well, I didn't tell her the second part, but for you to know, instead of solely only depending on affiliate partners, which is nothing wrong with. Okay, that's a different animal of promotion too to get to gather customers. Okay, but I mean, how attractive is that? Um, but that's pretty much what's going on now. I did these two parts. I think she did. I don't know if they uploaded the first call yet. Um, she was talking about they're going to upload the call soon, but the thing is there's no like direct videos. You have to attend. Not well. It's there. I had recently just got off the call, so that she did say Maria said they will have it like split up probably in three videos to make it more like consumable. But I attended the call, and the call you're going to get the call very soon. Like they're about to have it uploaded in here. Okay, like they're on it now, right now. Okay. She says, if you read her here, 500 plus savvy. I'm sure that's because the initial first phase of the launch brought 500 plus sales from the JV partners or affiliate partners. Okay, now it's the next phase. Okay, I don't even let's see. She get? See, I went through all this. So she gives you options to what time to schedule for. But I think by the time you get it and pick it up, she would have already had the videos starting to get uploaded in there. And if they're not, I'll go ahead and just DM me. I am your support. Okay, I'm your support. All right. Now as far as the bonus to pick up what she's like showing, because she showed a secret website, guys, that It's a secret. I don't want I don't want to give it away. That blew my mind. It blew my mind. And she was showing examples of how to find niche channels that are promoting stuff and ways to go about like knowing what's winning and you can make lucrative income off of. So that's pretty cool stuff. I can't wait for day two. And there's going to be more video uploads about this. This is a journey task. It's probably going to be 7 days of long form. And I hopefully she'll have some videos in there, and I'll keep having the algos push for the keyword for review for her, and gets help you guys out, and get that bonus to you early, because the bonus you're getting is my method as well, my framework on how I'm building my YouTube channel as well. I told her it. She told me it sounded like a happy mix. But she's definitely upgraded me, and I wish for the same to happen to you if you take massive action. Okay, you got to take massive action. By the time you pick it up, this should be the first video, and you can go into like on demand view them. She said 3 videos, so you should see the 3 videos. Um, and just register for the other events. Okay, by this time you would have had to register whatever day after, or whatever day into the sprint it is, because this will be evergreen. The sprint will be evergreen. But yeah, just click that first link below to get on a newsletter if you want any other valuable tips or nuggets or anything like that. And to pick up Maria's offer, and start really like tapping into where the buyer views are. Okay, the buyer views. It's not about vanity views, because not all vanity views are buyer views. Okay, they're not all moving towards a solution to a problem they would pay for. Okay, so that's where Maria Gudelis, what's such a name, right? Maria Gudelis. That's where Maria Gudelis came in, because she sold me, and I saw who she helped on the sales page, and so you, when you click that second link, is the direct sales page. Um, and I might have a doc up, but you're automatically going to get access to the members area of our second launch coming up. Okay, so if you're one of the lucky few that picks it up, like till we launch, because I might run this promo for promo till launch, and so we can get more case study or more student results going you know, with the framework that I also teach in your bonus. Okay, I know I kind of stalled on this one frame, but to be honest, I can't really go any further. There's no videos, guys. You have to start from day one and go down the line. Like I said, the first Zoom call was already recorded, and let's see, hold on, I'll be back. So I think I forgot to mark something as complete, because you want to do this as you go. I did mark as complete. Um, do stuff like report back to her. I just want to make sure it's progressing, because if you're all in, you gotta see your percentages going up as you take action. Okay. So look at next. Report back to me. See, it was in day one. You see day one right here. The money map niche offer. Copy. Okay, yeah, this was the homework that I had just recently done. It's they give you a copy of this, and then you also have to fill out survey forms, Google forms, so that she can gauge how serious you are about your business. Okay, because she might kick you out. I'm for this challenge. I'm like, I saw the legends that were in the comments. We had some legends in the comments. Um, and she was dropping knowledge bombs, and you're gonna be getting knowledge bombs, and also knowledge bombs from what we're doing with our YouTube channel. It's like a perfect mix. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and let you know about Channel Profit Sprint by Maria Gudelis. I think I said it right. May have not. um, and be stay tuned for the next video, because there's probably I think she says there's 7 days to the sprint. It says it right here, actually. Yeah, day 7. Okay. Oh, she got some nice bonuses waiting for you here too. Look at that. Okay. There will probably be more updates on the bonus stack also for you, um, that I have in mind. But I do know off top, this goes like she said when I told her my setup, should I say, with YouTube that's different from hers. Um, is she told me after I told her what my setup was and how it's performed that it's a happy mix, and I believe it. You know, because she dropped a lot of bombs that made me think hard about what I can do differently to optimize the traffic even more and to get more evergreen traffic and not be at so much the mercy of certain traffic sources that die quickly, relatively quick, when you post. Like you'll get a surge, but it dies quickly. So there, but the framework does work. It's a secret. It's a secret. Okay. The bonus you get. All right. So stay tuned for video 2 as I continue to go through this challenge. And yeah, you just pick it up so you guys get access just before we launch October 30th. My take. That'll be the second. That'll be the second link, which is Channel Profit Sprint. And I'll see you guys in the follow up video as we continue to go through the sprint together. All right. If you're still on the sidelines and not sure, she's not like these other vendors. No, she's pretty hands on, from what I'm gathering. Pretty hands on, and that's a great trait. But obviously, don't waste her time. Also, at the same time, you know, she needs seriousness. That's why she's got those forms in place. Y'all be blessed. Okay. If you like the video, like it. Helps the channel grow tremendously. Please subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon for notifications if you want more review videos from some of the better offers that are proven. And that'll be it for today. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys on the follow-up video for Channel Profit Sprint so you can get your evergreen traffic on point and your income rolling in. Y'all be blessed.